loves, hey dolls. So I have another haul that I'm really super duper excited about, and y'all know this is we do our own nails all day long. So definitely, if you even are just new because you're seeing this video, this is definitely a nail channel, right? A beauty channel. So make sure that you do subscribe for future videos, and we got old videos on deck. This is a GOJANE haul that I am super duper excited about. I've literally have not shopped at GOJANE in many years. It's probably been about 4 years since I've actually shopped on GOJANE. So I was excited when I was led to finally go shopping again. I was like, oh, I have permission to shop. From the Lord I'm talking about, that is. I did a quick GOJANE haul. This was a $205 haul, but I'm gonna show you the items that I got. Now I did just post a Forever 21 haul where I got like 15 items for less than $140. Make sure that you check out that video. But in this video, I got some really cool accessories and some things that will complement my wardrobe. And between those two hauls, I'm gonna be honest, that's really the bulk of everything that I'm going to be doing for this winter time. So I feel like I did a pretty good job on that. We did that a little bit. You know, I got some pretty cool things for a great price. And even before I show you these everything that I got from this haul, one thing that I want to say is this: if you're watching this in a timely fashion, these items that I got, they're literally 55% off right now on GOJANE. I went on GOJANE last night and I was just looking, and I still have my shopping cart sitting, and I was like, man, there are things that I'm thinking about ordering, right? And when I look, everything that I got is reduced even more. So everything that you're seeing in this haul is literally reduced from the price that I got it for. If you got everything in this haul, you would literally have spent like way less than $200 for it. With that being said, shout out to GOJANE.com. They're not sponsoring me, but they need to. I'm gonna show y'all everything that's in this box and the goodies that I got. So I want to show y'all how big the box is. I feel like, I don't know about y'all, but I love to just shop online. It's so much better than going to the mall, waiting in line and trying on clothes that other people have tried on, that you really want something new. You don't want to try on the same outfit that Sarah tried on, right? Oh, we have a box, we have a goodie. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what our first goodie is. It's beginning to smell a lot like a haul. I'm sorry. It's really late where I am. I haven't slept today, so y'all gotta forgive me when I come on here a little goofy. We got our receipt. We got our tracking to make sure that everything that we order is in here. First thing that I'm being led to is literally this, because first of all, it's mustard. I don't know if y'all know about mustard. Do you know about mustard or not? This is a beautiful color. Like, this hair point blank to wear. I'm talking about, this is great for many different complexions as well. Mustard is like just one of those beautiful colors. So this is a size large. I did get everything in a size large with GOJANE, so I'm hoping that the large is good for me. You know, it depends on where you shop at. Now, when I shop from Forever 21, I definitely ordered a medium for most everything that I could get in medium. But I think for GOJANE, I was kind of led to get some larges. So let's see how this mustard sweater is. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, I love it. And this is like a crop top one, so this is going to be like a nice loose fit. I really don't want my clothes to just be suffocating me. This is a large, and I think this is going to be like the perfect size when I put it on. So of course I'm going to show you how I look in this and something that I would pair it with. But check it out. Don't I look good in mustard? I love mustard. This is one of my favorite colors to wear. Y'all know from the Forever 21 haul, I wasn't too festive on the colors, but this is like one of my go-to colors. So I had a little hoodie that I got from one of these stores in this color, and I was just obsessed with it, but it's really ran through the mud, so I can only use it to tie it around my waist. I had to get another mustard. So mustard is a bing! It's a check mark as far as colors, and especially in the fall time, okay? Let's see what else we got. Ooh. Red. Who doesn't love red? This is a large red. Look, it's a nice little neat Ziploc bag. You got to love GOJANE. I love them. I'm sorry. I vouch for this company. I'm like, how did I forget about GOJANE? What's wrong with me? How can I forget that they have such good things at such great prices and really, really like good quality to be 100 about it? This is like a little crop hoodie that we got here. I love hoodies. I definitely love everything to be cropped because it falls just right. And this is a large, so this is going to fit me like right. It's going to hit right at the belt. And I love that. I don't like Well, it depends. Sometimes, you know, you can get something that's a little long. But even like the hoodie I got on, like I love, even like this sweater, that I got on. I just love the crop look. So it's like now that I have this GOJANE stuff, like I said, I'm going to try everything on and show you all. But now that I have the GOJANE, I'm like, you know, maybe I could wear a medium in GOJANE. But it's okay. I'm definitely not tripping about the hoodies and the sweaters being a little bit large because you're going to be wearing this over clothes a lot of times anyway. Ooh, I got a lot of different hats. This was actually a restock item. When I go to shop on those types of stores, I always look, first of all, I look at what's new. And then I also look at restocks because sometimes things that are in restock, that's like a hot product. And it's not to say, oh, get it because people are buying it. But it's just like probably something in there that you will really like too. Check this out. I think this is super cute, like a knit beanie. Yes, I'm going to put this over what I already have on. Check it out. This is so cute. Yes. 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 I think this is super cute. Like it's a jumbo knit beanie and then it's red. I don't know if it's the same red as this. I was thinking that this was going to be red. But it's okay. It still could kind of go. And I do have like red items. I love this. Even if you had like on all white and then you had this on with your red bottoms. Banger, right? This right now is like $8 though on GOJANE. Like I said, because they have reduced the prices even more from when I bought it. Let's see what else we have. Oh, this is something that's so cute that I got. I'll show y'all this. This is the accessories that we got. I'm like, I don't even want to open it because it's such cute packaging. Like, look at that. Packaging within packaging. Ooh, I forgot about this. Ooh, and this is on sale. When I saw this on sale, I was like, you know how you make that face like, I should have waited. I don't even know if I'm making the right face. I'm so tired. I'm not even getting my faces right. I didn't even get my faces right. But I really wanted this right here. So, okay, let me just show y'all what it is. And this is going to be something because I'm going to be doing a special video that kind of ties in with my OMG dolls. Shouts out to Doll World Shows on Instagram and YouTube. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe because we really get it in for our adult doll collectors, right? We love the fashion. But this is something that I got that was inspired. Oh, I think this is going to be the perfect size. Like, pause. Like, oh, this is a large. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Can I just shimmy it? I feel like doing the shimmy. No, just kidding. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So I can't wait to show you how this looks when I put it on and the type of outfit that I will wear that with. Ooh, that jacket was definitely something that it was kind of a significant in price. That jacket was probably the most expensive item of this entire haul. It was $52.80. But even the quality of it, like, yes, it's definitely worth it. This is something that you would get from a different brand, but you would probably pay a lot more for that. It's really good quality. There's two other things that I got. We got two of these. I think these are some cute caps, so I'll go ahead and try them on for y'all. These were actually $12.60 a piece. Again, they have been reduced because the site has 55% off right now. But these are $12.60 a piece, and we got them in blush, and then we also got it in mustard again. So y'all, let's see, are y'all catching my mustard vibes? Are this the same? Yeah, they're the same color. I love this. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of them on. I really have like a thing for hats. Definitely make sure that you subscribe to Pretty Boss TV as well. That's my main channel. Get some really good spiritual food from the Lord on Pretty Boss TV. But I've been drawn to like just hats lately. This is one. I have to definitely take this off because this is not doing it any justice, right? But check it out. Ooh, it's so cute. Like, I love hats, and I grew up and I was always like a fitted cap type of person. Y'all probably don't even know about fitted caps because y'all just do snapbacks these days. I always used to love fitted caps. I'm still into hats, but I'm learning and being led to different hat options that are still really cute, where you can have a hat on, but you can still look fashionable. You don't have to look like you're about to go, you know, play basketball. You don't have to look like you're about to go run around the track, right? Although there's nothing wrong with baseball caps, but I'm just saying. We also have it in blush, which is such a beautiful color. Like, I'm feeling the blush. It's just so subtle. I can't wait to do my nails. I'm gonna do my nails to match whatever theme that I'm gonna have for a week. I was thinking to start doing my nails maybe once a week so that I can make sure it's literally matched to my style in a certain particular way. To be like, did you do your nails to match your outfit? I did. I did. This blush is just absolutely beautiful. And again, if you haven't seen the Forever 21 haul that I got a lot of items for a really good price, check it out because I got some blush items in there that this is going to be really cute with. I think this even goes really cute with the blue. This is a small haul. We only have 2 more items after this one. I want to show y'all this one that I got. And I always get really excited. I don't know about y'all, but is it only me that gets really excited when you order something or you put it in your cart? And it was the last one. This was the last one. Check this out. I'm just going to show y'all. Like, oh my goodness. This is so pretty. This is called, and they might get this back in stock, but I got this as the last one when it was on there. They have similar ones, but it wasn't like this. So this is the 4 crosses layered necklace set in gold, and this was $15.12. Oh, I love it. Like, I think this is just absolutely beautiful. So yes, 4 crosses, and like I said, I'm gonna try these on and show y'all how it looks when I have it on so that y'all can see it in its full glory. By the time I edit this video, it might be an overlay over me doing all the just yippity yapping talking. Yes, this is one of my favorite items. This was actually the first item that I put in my cart on this haul because I was like, I need some accessories and hats, and I was like, oh, I need this, okay? Second to last but not least, it's the MAUVE large coat. So I'm really excited about this one. Like, I was in love with this. They have this in like 5 different colors, but it's a corduroy puff piece padded jacket. This was $24.60. So I was like, okay, this is something that could be just casual, you know, when you want to just throw something on when you're running out and you need a nice little jacket. Let's go ahead and open this up. I think I got this in a large. And they have it in different colors. I thought about getting it in black, but I just got it in this color. And I'm happy that I did. This kind of goes with our little blush a little bit too. But I think this is just super cute. Like, I got to kind of put this on now. Let me see. I think this is a large. This is a large. So I got pretty much everything in a large. And then I'll tell you this for sure. For pants, if I was ordering any type of pant or skirt from GOJANE, particularly for myself, I would definitely do a large. And just to let y'all know if you're watching, I am a shorty, so I'm 5'1". This is a large, so I feel like the large is really good on me. I absolutely love this. Is this cute or not? Like, I'm going to show you. I'm going to definitely stand up so I can give y'all a 360. But I had to put this on real quick. Like, am I not cool? Do y'all think that I'm not cool with this jacket? Like, I feel swag with this jacket. Like, I just love this. And it's warm. I had to take this off because it's really hot. It got me thinking, especially since everything is, like, kind of on sale again. I might actually order, like, right after I do this video because I do have an open cart with some items. I might actually get this in another color. Now, they did have this in mustard as well, so I might go ahead and snatch that mustard or the black or both. I don't know. And the last but not least, and I'm hoping I got me a good little size. I was excited about this. These are some boots. I used to love Urban OG, but Urban OG doesn't sell clothes anymore. I was like, Urban OG had like the dopest stuff, but they still sell some pretty good shoes. So maybe one of these days I'll do a Urban OG shoe haul, but not today because I have like enough shoes and I haven't even showed y'all the type of shoes that I have already. But I was tempted to this boot. So the boot that I got, and this is the box, check it out. The boot that I got in the black box ended up being $40. And this is on sale again, like I said, with the 50% off. I was like, should I have just waited? Probably so, but then I wouldn't have been able to do this haul and let y'all know that you can get it for even a better price than I did. Check these out. These kind of remind me of like shoes that I would get from Steve Madden. I have like a lot of Steve Maddens, and this kind of reminds me of like Steve Madden quality. And even like these are kind of like the types of boots that I would get from Steve Madden, right? I'm going to show y'all my Steve Madden collection because I have like some fire boots. But I thought these would go pretty well. And I like the fact that it's multicolor because I can just have on like a real neutral outfit, you know, and then put these boots on, and it'll just be so cool. I see it. I'm gonna show y'all. Don't worry, I'm gonna show y'all how I dress it up. The thing that I'm nervous about is these are a 7.5, and I'm a size 7, but I wanted to just order a size 7.5 to be on the safe. So I'm about to try these on currently to see how, oh, these are like the perfect size. Yeah, definitely. But my feet got fat, like not fat, like they're still cute or whatever, you know, whatever. I'm a foot person. I think they got like a little meaty after I had a child. Has that happened to any of my other ladies? Please let me know in the comments if it's just me and my feet. But these fit like perfectly. So I guess I'm not really a size 7 in women anymore. I think I'm more of like a size 7.5. So these are the perfect size, and my feet is like right at the tip, but I still have room. Check those out. I love these because I'm like, it's gonna look invisible. It's gonna look like I don't even have a heel. That's like totally the reason I got these, because you gotta think, if I'm in the mall or I'm just somewhere at a distance, people are gonna be like, is she walking on her tippy toe? All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Pretty much everything that I got some things for a really good price. So the only reason I ended up spending about $205 on this haul is because of the jean jacket that we got. And because that boot, those two items alone were about $100. Outside of that, you can see that there are some pretty good prices here. And then of course this sweater was $22 and some change, and this corduroy jacket was $26, but that's a good price for a jacket. I'm actually gonna order this in at least 1 or 2 other colors because this is really good quality, and I love this. I might get it in the black because I don't think that I have like a black jacket other than my fur. And I love the mustard, so I think I might. I hate to buy multiple colors. Like, I try to stop doing that. The way that my mom shops, I kind of was used to that growing up. So it's like, you know how you'll get everything and be like, I'm going to get all the colors. I try not to do that. This one was kind of the most expensive top that I got outside of the jackets. If you look at the quality, this is really thick. This is worth the material. And then to contrast it, this was like the one that was about $11.40. And this is not a bad material at all, right? But it's not this type of material or quality or knit. That's just to give you an idea. I don't want to tarry. GOJANE.com. Go check them out if you see anything that you like. And again, if you catch this timely, everything is 55% off. So I'm going to post this on Thanksgiving. And I'm actually recording it like at Thanksgiving at about 5 in the morning right now. I haven't went to sleep yet, so... We just had a really nice live stream on Patreon. Shouts out to everybody from Pretty Boss TV who is on the Patreon. Okay, so y'all can come join the family if you want. We talk about real life things and we get it in, all right, in the Lord. We get it in spirit and in truth. And we level up with business and all types of other things, okay? Hope that you enjoyed this GOJANE haul. Let me know what is your favorite item in this haul. Let me know if you've ever heard of GOJANE or if you shop at GOJANE. And if not, please tell me, what are your favorite online stores to shop at that's kind of like in the same area? Don't tell me Fashion Nova in the comments. I checked out fashionnova.com and I wasn't impressed. I saw some things that was okay, but I was like, okay, overpriced or cheap. I can get that on Shein for like 85% less of the price. So no Fashion Nova in the comments, but if you have other sites that you shop at that are similar to like a Forever 21 or H&M or GOJANE or Urban OG when they used to have clothes, let me know in the comments below. Help your sisters out, okay? I love y'all. Talk to y'all soon. Y'all willing. Peace.